Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan, and here basically we are discussing one topic, that is the currencies. And in currencies, basically we are discussing that how basically the earthquakes are connected here. Basically, just see basically up to what dangerous level things are basically connected. So one person told that basically you basically when the first time the computer was got on, basically, do you remember? Yes, basically, yeah, I remember. Yeah. Then basically he told that basically first time basically when the computer was got on, that time basically have you ever basically tried to find out basically actually that was not your mistake basically. He told that basically that was not your mistake basically, that was the power company basically who actually was supposed to find out the data. Then one person told that the power supply company are so perfect basically, they always keep the data basically. Then he told that exactly basically they have the data basically. So the nuclear power company creates the basically, sometime basically they creates the ideas, sometime basically they creates the ideas, and it might possible that computer idea basically also might be modified in the earth planet version basically, which idea basically was given by the other planets. Mostly it might be possible because each and every idea basically are modified by the nuclear power company and are basically modified in the format of earth planet, and then basically it is placed in front of the public direct. Basically public never gets the idea basically from the satellites. Very few people basically gets the idea from the directly from the satellite, but that are basically very rich people basically. Rich means very powerful people basically, very powerful people. Even basically the big king basically might be Saudi kings or basically Dubai kings, they also might not be getting the ideas from the satellite basically. They are basically totally extraordinary people basically. Their property basically there is no there you can't count the property of that people basically. That kind of people basically only gets the ideas from the satellite basically. So that thing is also basically there, that also we are going to discuss basically what actually that is, why basically they sends direct idea to the set from the satellites to that person basically. What might be the uh, what might be the idea basically behind this. So like this basically he told that he told that basically that like this the planets basically gets the idea, and each and every ideas basically are modified by the nuclear power company. And mostly it might possible that satellite groups also basically might be modifying the data basically, mostly basically, but 99% basically they might also basically have created some process basically. So each and every people basically modifies the idea basically in the format of earth planet environment basically. Why they modifies? Because earth planet environment is already setted, that's why only basically, that's why only basically they modifies each and every ideas basically. One person told that basically how basically are they basically for example software is one idea. Then he told that yes, Microsoft is one idea. Yes, basically he told them correct. PHP is one idea. He told correct. SAP is one idea. Then he told that yes, basically physical place are there basically. For example, SAP is created from thousand cities. Microsoft also is created from thousand cities. PHP basically might be possible that it might be created from Microsoft or SAP basically, or basically some physical area might be there of PHP and PHP basically, because PHP also basically are using by the lots of people basically, but it mostly basically might be possible that it might be coming under SAP or basically Microsoft, or basically it might possible that some other group basically might have created. That might be COBOL, that might be Pascal, that might be C++, that might be Java group. basically any group basically might have created, but physical basically PHP have to create with, and PHP mostly basically crores of planet people basically are using PHP. So 100% PHP group basically might have created the physical place also basically, because it might possible that the power supply basically might get fluctuate basically when you are using the PHP basically, and this basically will happen basically when the PHP might think of creation of vegetables, fruits, that time basically. That time the environment basically might get fluctuate, and that time basically it might possible that earthquake basically can attract when basically PHP groups basically might be doing the process of vegetables. But that basically environment basically groups are 100% perfect group basically, so they always uh, do the perfect plan basically, because entire world basically is stable, that means environment group basically are perfect only basically, that also basically 100%, that are basically the nuclear power company and energy company and power company which connected with the satellite group basically. That's basically it's perfect basically. So like this basically he told that basically okay basically, uh, like this basically the each and every group basically have their own power supply data basically, and this also basically connects to the currencies only basically. And one person asked the question basically, the tomato basically which was created and potato which was created, if basically somebody say that basically that was created from Microsoft CRM project, and Microsoft basically has created this 3 lakh projects, 3 lakh planets basically, then basically he told that basically that might be possible, yeah, basically, because software industry has already jumped into the vegetable creations, they have already created the potatoes, they have already created the tomatoes. So it might possible that basically Microsoft CRM uh, planet might have been created basically, Microsoft CRM planets, that is basically the 3 lakh Microsoft CRM planets, this name basically you can give Microsoft, 3 lakh Microsoft CRM planets, and you can basically give the name of the planet also basically, because this type of name basically is just for to remember basically. But uh, in ISRO and NASA industry basically they give some numbering name basically, they have basically their form there, that means they basically also are using some software basically, there basically the software number basically they allocates to the Microsoft basically, that this is your planet number basically, and this is your unique identity number basically in NASA and ISRO. And NASA ISRO basically are handling each and every planets basically which is created by the Earth Planet Energy. Here basically the Earth Planet Energy is Microsoft Energy basically, which is telling that basically we have created Microsoft CRM potato planet, Microsoft CRM tomato planet, 3 lakh Microsoft CRM tomato planet, 3 lakh Microsoft CRM potato planet. Like this basically they have created. Like this basically they have created it. So just see basically up to what level the things basically are basically, and basically the things basically are going to connect basically. This is just small example basically I have given. In basically real basically there are thousands of human needs created, not thousands basically lakhs of human needs basically are created, and that basically also connect to the three type basically. One is natural items human needs, software chemicals human needs, and then basically third is the chemical human needs basically, chemical created human needs. So like this basically these are the three basically who types of human needs basically which is created. So in next video basically we are going to see little bit more about this